Hello everyone, I'm Igor, and I'm sharing tips about how to use AI to code the painless way, for those who know and don't know how to code themselves. Today I recorded a video for everyone who makes or wants to make software, especially SaaS. One of the key skills in the industry is knowing how to use a terminal to communicate with POSIX operation systems like Linux via the so-called console. For many people, even those with development experience, this is the single biggest barrier to overcome. But on the other side of that fence lies real freedom. You can use tools like Git, Brew or any other package manager, connect to servers via SSH, manage them and even kick off and control the creation of your own software. Here is the point of this video. Those who don't know how to use terminals and who may even be afraid of them will get the most value out of it, because there is warp. A terminal you can use the same way you use ChatGPT. You can talk to warp in plain English without any prior knowledge, and at the same time learn how to use terminals through real interaction. And there are no limits. For example, you could manage a Kubernetes cluster without knowing what kubectl or Helm are, even if you haven't heard these words before. For many, this could be the real gateway to software development, or at least to understanding it, especially for those who have dreamed about it, but never dared to cross the terminal mastery threshold. I am a power terminal user myself. I know almost everything I need about Bash and ZSH to be a one-person software army. But even I was impressed by Warp, despite not using all its features. Before we talk about the full potential of Warp, here is one big takeaway for professionals. Warp seems to know in every context, from the first few characters I type, exactly which command I want, just because I've successfully run it at least once before. Let's see how it's working. I just press the right arrow key and it completes my command. This speeds up my terminal work by at least 10x, and I'm not exaggerating, probably even more. Now imagine the terminal input-output is already the fastest UI we have for complex operation system level tasks, if you know the language to talk to it, of course. Warp multiplies this speed many times over. Think about it the next time you start typing git push -- set and have it instantly complete for you. So let's time something less professional. Ask Warp to perform the most complicated task for a complete beginner. Create a TypeScript project with a Git repository. Git usually is the evil guy here. As usually in vibe coding tools, I need to confirm every action it does. So I just hit enter to do it. So you see how it performs the whole task. When you try it yourself and when it's done, ask it for help to push it into your GitHub account. Try it and share your experience in the comments. I'll skip the obvious part. Yes, you can use Warp to develop your application, just like any other vibe coding tool, namely Lovable or Cursor. By the way, the link to Warp's site is in the comments. See you next time!